Hi guys, my name is Joy and I thank you for coming to view this video. Today we'll have a 5-minute intense ab workout. We're going to be starting off with a modified forearm plank. So we'll get in a forearm plank and we'll bend our knees and place them on the mat. In this position, we will lift each leg simultaneously into the air and back. We want a smooth flow and a tight core. This is your first time. We have 30 seconds on the timer. We are not going to have any breaks in between these movements. You guys take those deep breaths. All right, we're going to move into a bear paw hold. But this is tabletop position. We're going to include a leg lift as we hold a bear paw position. So tabletop position, make sure that you have your knees aligned with your hips and your wrist aligned with your elbows and shoulders. We're going to just simply lift each heel into the air like a donkey kick and back. Our next movement will be a boat pose. If you'd like, you can do a modified boat pose just like this with your knees bent, or you can do a full boat pose with your legs completely extended. Have those arms extended beside you. Keep that breath steady and a smile on your face. All right, you're going to move into some leg lowers. So we're going to do crisscross leg lowers, which means we're going to crisscross our legs as we rotate them down to the mat and back. Exhaling as we come down, inhaling as we come up. Wonderful. Right, we're going to do a cocoon side rotation, which is just lying on our backs, and we're going to rotate our arms from our left heel to our right heel, while our legs are held in extended position. Amazing. We're getting ready to do wide leg crunches, which is basically what we say. We're going to be lying on our backs. We're going to separate our right and left leg. We're going to have our palms insert between our legs as we crunch up. Exhales as you come up, you guys. And last but not least, we're going to do lying jacks. So we'll be lying on our mats, flat on our backs, and we're going to just do a jumping jack rotation as we're lying down. If you want modification, you can just place your hands beneath your lower back, just like I did here. Now we'll start the full rotation. Lying jacks, keep those legs elevated off of your mat. We don't want our legs or feet to touch the ground or our hands in this position. Amazing, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. You did a great job. Hope to see you next time. And I hope you guys could feel the burn. Maybe do this a couple more times to get those really tight core abs. I love you. Have a beautiful day.
Yeah, life is a blessing. So you gotta pay attention, pay attention. Life is a blessing. Now check it. Yo, life is a blessing. So every day I try to pay attention to the lessons. Nature is reflected, roots are reconnected when you look inside yourself, and the truth will be revealed with any hand that is dealt. Now can't you see? Once you see the scenery around you, nature provides the vibes to keep us down to a healthy mind state. No wait, the clouds have found you, looking at this pearly gates, wishing for round two. Back those steps to all before you crawl, before those judgments when that energy was raw. Question mankind, abide by nature's lie. I don't like the legal system, they got one too many flaws. Pardon me for running off my job, but these lyrics are raw like sunny days in the autumn of fall. I'm telling y'all to bring the pure light. Yeah, I know you heard right, bringing cloudy days with some sunlight.